To add an NFC card to Apple Wallet, start by making sure your device is compatible with the feature. Apple devices such as iPhone 8 and later, Apple Watch Series 3 and later, iPad with Face ID, and Mac models with Touch ID support Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your device. If you do not see the Wallet app, you can download it from the App Store. Next, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner of the screen to begin the process of adding a new card. Select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card, rewards card, or transit card. Then, follow the prompts to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You may also be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of the card issuer. After you enter the card details, the card issuer may require you to verify your identity. This can be done through a text message or phone call. Once your card is verified, tap Next to add the card to Apple Wallet. You may be asked to set a default card or add the card to a specific transit system. Finally, tap Done to complete the process. Your NFC card is now added to Apple Wallet and you can use it to make contactless payments. It is essential to note that not all cards are compatible with Apple Wallet, so you should check with your card issuer to see if your card can be added. Additionally, you should always keep your device and card information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily add an NFC card to Apple Wallet and start making convenient and secure contactless payments.